Happy morning, students. Welcome to Grade 1, Day 6 English Reading and Writing class. Children, take your English course book. In the last class, we have practiced up to page number 11. Now, let's practice the next page, that is page number 12. I will read once, children, that is the terminal blends. I will read once. Listen carefully and then you have to repeat along with me. So listen carefully, children. The letter N is given there and the letter D is also there. How you should pronounce as the letter N? That is N, D, N, D, N, N. The sound is N, the sound. Hand, hand. Next one, kind. K-I-N-D is there, that is kind. Kind, kind. Next one, stand, stand, stand. Again listen, children, the sound is the sound, end. Hand, hand, kind, kind, stand, the sound. Hand, kind, stand. Once more listen, children, the sound is hand, hand, kind, kind. Stand, stand, hand, kind, stand. Now look at the next sound, children. The letter S is there and the letter K is there. How we should pronounce the letter S? Like the sound only should give sound. The letter K should give us k sound. K. The sound is k sound. Tusk, 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 tusk. Tusk, tusk. Next one, mask, 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 mask. Next one, task, 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 task. Again listen, children, sk. The sound is sk, sk. Tusk, mask, task, tusk, mask, task. Look at the next sound, children. The letter M is given, should give the sound as sound. And the letter P should give the sound as p. 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 Should give the sound as p. P. The sound should give us p. Lamp. 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 Pump. 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 Pump, pump. Next one, lump, 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 lump. Again listen, children, the sound is sound. Lamp, lamp, pump, pump, lamp, pump, lump, 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 lamp, pump, lump. Now look at the next sound, children. Lt. The letter L should give the sound as L. Lt. T. The sound of T is T. Lt. Lt. Salt. 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 Felt. 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 Melt. 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 Again listen, children. The sound is Lt. Lt. Salt, salt, salt. Felt, felt, felt. Next one, melt, melt, melt. Salt, felt, melt. Look at the next sound, children. The letter N gives the sound as N sound and the letter T gives the sound as T. Nt, int. The sound is int sound. Hunt, hunt. Hunt, hunt. Went, 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 went. Plant, 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 plant. Again listen, children, nt. The sound is nt. Hunt, went, plant. Once more listen, children, nt. Hunt, went, plant. Look at the next sound, children. The letter L gives the sound as L sound. And the letter K gives the sound as K, ilk, 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 the sound. Milk, 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 milk. Next one, silk, 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 silk. Next one, bulk, 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 bulk. Again listen, ilk. The sound is ilk. Milk, milk. Silk, silk. Bulk, bulk. Milk, silk, bulk. Now look at the next sound, children. The letter R gives the sound as r, d, d. The letter D gives the sound as d, 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 urd, urd, bird, 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 card, 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 card. Next one, word, word, bird, card, word. Again listen, children. The sound is urd, 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 bird, bird, card, card, word, word, bird, card, word. The next one, urd sound, bird, card, word, bird, card, word. So take this page number, that is 12, children. Practice these sounds. Children, take page number 4. First mention the date, that is 23/8/2021, and then you have to draw the line in between each stroke. Then only you have to start to write, children. So listen, first there is a stroke is there. In each stroke, that is in between each stroke, you have to draw the line like this, and then only you have to start to write. See, first this stroke is in between second and third line. So first you have to start do like the small curve, a bend must be here, and then it should go above like a slanting line. This should touch this second line. One more time I am writing, children. Look at me. See, like this you have to write it. See, look at me, like how you have to practice. After doing this tracing, you have to go by the next line. Look at me, slide bend must be there and it should touch there. Slide bend and it should touch. Again look at me, a slide bend, you should touch here. The same way you have to practice for the next line also. See, look at me, slide bend and it should touch here. Again on slide bend, how to touch it here. See, look at me, like this you have to write it. After finishing this stroke, you have to come by the next one, that is, see, look at me. See, it is like a small letter I. How you have to write it? See, this also in between the second and the third line. See how we have written in the first one. The same way you have to start for the first half. Bend like this, and it should have a slanting line, and again it should come down and it should go above. Then keep the dot. See, look at me. One more time I am writing like this. He slide, bend, touch the above, come down and bend like this. Keep the dot. Again look at me. Slide, bend, go above, come down, bend and keep the dot. So same way you have to practice this, children. First do the tracing. After completing the tracing, you have to go by the next line. See, look at me. Slide, bend, go above, come down and then keep the dot here. Again look at me. Slide, bend, go above. Again same way, come down, then go above. See, like this you have to do this. Likewise, you have to practice this, children. First do the tracing and then you have to write the next line. Children, look at the next stroke. Children, by the next day, you can do the next stroke. Children, first draw the line in between each stroke, children, and then you have to do the tracing. Then only you have to practice the next line. So listen, children. First you have to do the tracing. See, look at me. This tracing, that is this stroke is in between second and this third line. So look at me. Start from here. You should not touch this line. A slight gap must be there. Start from here. Go above, come down, bend and come down and join this third line. Again one more time I am writing, children. Look at me. Start from here. Go above, bend and come down. Again one more time, listen, children. Start from here. Go above, bend down and touch this point. See, likewise you have to practice. After completing this tracing, children, you have to go by the next line. Look at me. Start from here. Go above, bend down and touch this here. See, again look at me. Likewise you have to do the practice, children. After completing the tracing only you have to do this practice. So children, look at me. One more time I am writing here. See, look at me. Likewise you have to do the practice. See, touch this line and it come to here. See, likewise you have to do the practice. Look at this next stroke, that is the small letter N. First you have to draw the line in between each stroke, and then you have to do the tracing, children. Then will you have to practice the next line. See, it is a small letter N. The first stroke, how you have practiced the same way. See, start from here, bend down, touch the second, that's the third line. Then again from here you should go above, come down and bend, and should go above. Like listen children, one more time. See, start from here, come down, then again go above, touch this line, and then come down and bend here. Here there must be a bend. One more time listen children. See, a bend like this, then touch this line, again go above, come down and bend like this. See, one more time I am writing children. See, look at me, likewise you have to do the tracing. So look at me children, this is tracing is very important. With the help of tracing we can easily write the remaining lines. Look at this children, after completing this tracing, go by the next line. See, start from here, come down, a slight bend must be there, then go above, come down and bend like this. One more time children. See, likewise you come down and go above and then come down and bend like this. One more time. See, look at me. See, go above, come bend down, okay, and put up small bend here. See, this is small letter N. Likewise, you have to practice children. Here it should go above. Look at the next line. See, start from here, come down, a slight bend must be there, go above, then come down and bend here. One more time listen children. See, a small bend like this, a slant line, again go above, touch this line, come down and put a bend. One more time listen. See, look at me how I am writing. The same way you have to practice it children. See, likewise you have to practice it. Okay children, likewise you have to practice it. Children, take your English course book, take page number 12. Practice the blend sounds, read louder, pronounce it properly, open your mouth and read louder children. After completing your reading practice, take your handwriting book, mention the day, that is 4 strokes we have practiced. You can divide into 2 days and you can write it 2 strokes each day. And after completing your handwriting, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.